I am going to make this install super easy. We're gonna get straight to the point so you guys know how to do this. No running around. So here I have a 4mm Allen. This is to take off the stock mirrors. Then you have your cutters for the zip ties and some zip ties. Here are the lights from NRC. These are for the Panigale V4. This is for the 18 to 21 models. They're gonna sit right here. And here you can see the mirrors. You have 2 bolts right here. They're Allens. I already loosened one just so you can see where it's at. You loosen these 2 and the mirror is loose and will come out. And then you can unplug it, install the new one, put the new one in, put the nuts back on. That's it. To get to the other side, just turn the handlebars this way. Same thing. You have your Allens right here, 4mm. It's gonna get to this mirror. This mirror is loose as well, but it's super easy, guys. This is $120 as of the time you're watching this video. This harness may be a little too long for this, but it's going to work. There's some foam padding right here. Here are the nuts. We will be using blue thread locker from Permatex. We're gonna use this to seal the nuts. And what this does is allow it not to come off. There's a blue and a red version. We're gonna stick with the blue version because you're able to remove it easily. The red one's pretty much like a permanent kind of thing. Here we have a 8mm socket. This is gonna take off the nut. This is the size that you're gonna use because the stock mirrors actually have a Allen bolt which goes through the mirrors, and the mirror actually has thread in it. This is actually a stud, and I'm using a 3mm Allen. Hold the other end, which is the top, and take off the nut. The nylon is there to basically secure the nut, so you're pretty much good. Don't have to use the blue thread locker, but I'm gonna use it anyways. So you're pretty much just gonna come here and mock it up. It lines up with the lines. This one here lines up with the lines. I'm going to unscrew the nuts on the bottom. You pop the mirror off and it'll have this, and then you can see how long the harness is on the new block offs. So we're gonna try to tuck this harness into the plastics. Also has plug and play. I'm gonna feed the wire through the middle hole. So we're gonna go ahead and put the rubber grommet. You see it has like sharp corners. Those sharp corners go in the groove here. So we're gonna start by putting in the harness. So you're gonna use these plastic washers that came with the kit and just push it in here in that groove. Same thing here, because there is a little bit of a gap there. There you go, it'll snap right in. Put in the block off, and fit this plastic piece in. So install complete. There goes the block offs. For right now I don't have any mirrors, but I'm gonna get the bar end ones pretty soon. Cleans it up a lot. Now all you see is the winglets. Before it was just like big old ears on the front nose of the bike. Bike looks way better. Literally like a MotoGP bike. Cleans it all up, especially with the matching rear fender eliminator kit from NRC. We actually went to the Ducati dealer once again. We got the Aero mirrors, a Ducati mug, and billet bar end for the mirrors. Here are the bar end mirrors. So I figured I go with these, and I'm told these do not vibrate. These are pretty solid and they're sleek. They have a nice design. Here are the ends that are on the stock Ducati bike. The ones we're gonna be replacing them with are from the same brand, and I'm sure they fit with many different handlebars as far as like the bar end. They're only $20. I had to get two, one for each mirror. Same for these. These were $119 each. Then I had to get bolts right around $300 after taxes and everything out the door for the mirror setup. Plus, if you want to add this for an extra $120, that is how much the total cost for eliminating the mirrors and having this type of setup. Here I have a 5mm for the stock bar ends. Here's a 3/16 for this main bolt that's gonna go to our new bar end adapter. And then a 3mm to adjust the mirror here, here, and here. So we'll start by removing the bar end. This is the factory bar end. You got one bolt, you have the end, and then here are your adapters that go inside. This is threaded here. So here you have a nut which has threads and is also grooved right there. Here's the bolt. It's a little smaller than this one, different in size. And here is the bar end. The bar end mirror will attach to this pretty perfectly. It's a machine to fit it. The reason why you have to go with that is because the factory one has a thin line right here and it won't be able to grab. You can put it on. I don't think it'll tighten, so I'm not even gonna try. But that's how you put it on. So I guess these are different adapters for different bar ends, like for the inner. So I'm gonna just try to work with these, and then if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna try it with these. So let's give it a try. Match is perfect. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this install. I'm gonna have more videos on this, get some more shots of the bike with it. But overall, super happy with the outcome. Just two simple mods and it just makes a big difference on the bike. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content. Let me know what you think about the bikes. And if you have a bike, what do you ride? Leave a comment down below. So we'll see you guys in the next video.